welcome back. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Sionaretja and we're at Navin Fashion. Before I start, I want to mention we still have the promotion going on. So grab your free gifts, your coupons before it's over. If you make any order, we offer those gifts and coupons. So grab it quick. So let's look at today's waist trainer. And this waist trainer is this double belt Ykk fabric waist trainer. So I've shown you guys the wide single belt Ykk fabric waist trainer on my previous video. This one is almost the same as that one, but this one has double belts. You can see right here. It's an Ykk fabric, so the outside, every part is covered with Ykk fabric. Ykk fabric makes it easier to attach the Velcro to any part of the waist trainer. Even when you start losing waist inch, you can still use the waist trainer because the belt can be attached to any part of the waist trainer, all right? So this waist trainer also has 9 flexible steel bones. You can see it has 9 flexible steel bones, and these steel bones help support your back as well as help the waist trainer be durable, okay? And also I'd like to mention, for those of you guys who want less steel bones, more steel bones, let us know. We can provide it however way you like it, all right? We're manufacturers, so nothing is impossible for us. You just contact us. And another thing I'd like to mention is this Ykk Zipper. This Ykk Zipper, we have the zipper for almost all of our waist trainers. It's a high quality and strong zipper, so we always provide you guys with great quality zippers, so you don't have to doubt that. And for those of you who want plus size, it's definitely available. We can go up to 10 extra large. However large you want, size doesn't matter. You just let us know which sizes you want. And for those of you guys who want your logo printed, you can print it on the belts right here on this side, any place you want. We use the heat transfer method, so we can print it any way you want to. And for private labels and private tags, we can offer those as well. It's one price for 1,000 pieces. As the same goes for packaging. We can print your logos on your packaging or use the standard packaging we usually provide. You let us know how you want it, and we'll make sure you get 100% satisfied with your orders, all right? So another thing about this waist trainer is our really strong Velcro. Our Velcros are really strong. So it means it's long lasting. You're not going to throw it out because the Velcros are not working anymore. We provide with you guys 100% high quality products. You don't have to doubt us, I'll say it. So let me wear it and you can have a quick look. So do you like my new curve? That's what double belt gives you guys. The more belt a waist trainer has, the more curvy you're going to look, and the more back supports it's going to give you. So this double belt, it gives you an extra back support, because imagine it starts from the back and pulls your waist really tight and gives you a really good hug. And this is really going to support your back. So it has a lot of advantage. And also, because of this double belt, because it gives you more back support, it means you're going to be sitting straight. You're not going to hunch anymore. So it improves your posture as well. And when you start wearing this waist trainer a lot more, you're going to sit straight even without the waist trainer. You're going to get the habit of sitting straight. So it improves your posture for a long term, not just while wearing the waist trainer, all right? Also, we recommend this waist trainer for postpartum moms because it ties your belly as well as it tightens up your belly fat, pulling it back in. And this is really light. It's not as thick. It's really light, so you're going to feel really comfortable while getting the advantage of the waist trainer as well. So that's it. That's what I had for today. If you guys are interested in this product, in any of our products, you can check out our Instagram page and DM us there. I'm going to leave it on our description box. You can check out all the other waist trainers on our website as well. So, and if you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below, or you can DM us as well on Insta. One last time, I'd like to mention this month is promotion month. It's our 6th-year anniversary. We have different gifts, coupons for every order you make. So make your order before it's over, alright? So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Bye!